bases from which the above salts may be obtained. Salts having the same positive or negative radicals are said to belong to a family. For example, NaCl and Na2 SO4 belong to the family of sodium salts. Similarly, NaCl and KCl belong to the family of chloride salts. How many families can you identify among the salts given in this activity? 2.4.2 pH of salts. Activity 2.14. Collect the following salt samples: sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, aluminium chloride, zinc sulphate, copper sulphate, sodium acetate, sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogencarbonate. Some other salts available can also be taken. Check their solubility in water. Use distilled water only. Check the action of these solutions on litmus and find the pH using a pH paper. Which of the salts are acidic, basic, or neutral? Identify the acid or base used to form the salt. Report your observations in Table 2.4. Salts of a strong acid and a strong base are neutral with pH value of 7. On the other hand, salts of a strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7, and those of a strong base and weak acid are basic in nature, with pH value more than 7. 2.4.3 Chemicals from common salt. Table 2.4 Salt pH acid used. By now you have learnt that the salt formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is called sodium chloride. This is the salt that you use in food. You must have observed in the above activity that it is a neutral salt. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from these salts. Deposits of solid salt are also found in several parts of the world. These large crystals are often brown due to impurities. This is called rock salt. Beds of rock salt were formed when seas of bygone ages dried up. Rock salt is mined like coal. You must have heard about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March. Did you know that sodium chloride was such an important symbol in our struggle for freedom? Acids, bases, and salts, page 30. You are watching YouTube channel at ncert.digital. Common salt, a raw material for chemicals. The common salt thus obtained is an important raw material for various materials of daily use, such as sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, and many more. Let us see how one substance is used for making all these different substances. Sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, called brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Alkali for sodium hydroxide. 2NaCl Aq, 2H2O, 2NaOH Aq, Cl2G, H2G. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode, and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. The three products produced in this process are all useful. Figure 2.8 shows the different uses of these products. Figure 2.8 Important products from the chlor-alkali process. Bleaching powder. You have already come to know that chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride, brine. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime, CaOH2. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2, though the actual composition is quite complex. CaOH2Cl2 CaOCl2H2O